kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Colors name: sky blue, black, red, neon, pink, dark blue, brown and orange. Let's start. Yellow color. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. Green color. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. Red color. C for carrot. C for carrot. Purple color. D for dog. D for dog. Yellow color. E for elephant. E for elephant. Green color. F for fish. F for fish. Red color. G for girl. G for girl. Purple color. H for house. H for house. Yellow color. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Green color. J for jug. J for jug. Red color. K for kite. K for kite. Purple color. L for lion. L for lion. Yellow color. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nose. N for nose. Green color. Red color. O for orange. O for orange. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M and O. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you in next video. Till then, bye.